What documents are needed for deportation defense when family is abroad? If you are facing deportation and your family lives in another country, gathering the right documents is key to building your case. The government looks at your ties to your family and how your removal might affect them. Showing strong proof of your relationships and their hardships can make a difference. Start with your basic identification documents. You will need your passport, which proves your identity and nationality. If you have a visa, include that as well. Your arrival and departure records, called I-94 forms, are important to show when you entered the United States. If you have a green card or work permit, include copies of those documents. Also, gather any notices or letters from immigration authorities that relate to your case. These help establish your legal history in the country. Next, focus on proving your family relationships. Collect birth certificates for yourself and your children or relatives abroad. Marriage certificates are also necessary if you are married. Adoption papers can be useful if applicable. If you support your family financially, gather bank statements, money transfer receipts, or letters from family members explaining how much they depend on you. These documents show your connection and support network. To demonstrate hardship to your family abroad, gather evidence of their situation. Medical records are important if a family member has serious health issues. School records can show your children's education needs. Letters from doctors, teachers, or community leaders describing their difficulties are helpful. If your family lives in a country with poor health care, education, or safety, include reports or news articles about those conditions. This helps show how your absence could cause hardship. Employment and financial proof are also vital. Collect pay stubs, tax returns, or letters from your employer that show your income. These documents prove that your family relies on your financial support. If you are the main provider, this can strengthen your case. Gather affidavits from people who know your family well. These are written statements from friends, relatives, or community members. They can describe your good character and explain how your removal would hurt your family. If possible, get statements from people in the country where your family lives. Act quickly and stay organized. If you cannot get certain documents, explain why and provide as much information as possible. Work with a trusted immigration attorney who understands the challenges faced by families abroad. They can guide you on what specific documents will help your case. Remember, each situation is different, so gather all relevant proof to show your family ties and the hardship your deportation could cause. Being thorough and honest is your best strategy to protect your loved ones and your rights.